story. Never again will you imagine the pictures. Now, who is the first one to buy my Dr. Spellbind storybox?
I will take one.
I will take two.
Before long, Dr. Spellbinder's cart was empty. The town square was covered with children and grown-ups, all staring blankly at the little boxes.
I managed to trick them. I will make millions, no, billions out of this box. Wah-ha-ha-ha-ha!
I don't like the looks of this.
It was afternoon, time for the story swap. Peddler Polly arrived to town hall and found it packed. The room was buzzing with talk about lost stories and Spellbinder story boxes. Mayor Bigwig took the stage, looking nervously around himself. Suddenly, the lights went off and a strange noise was heard. When the lights came back on, Mayor Bigwig shrieked.
I lost my story! What is happening?
Miss Marbles, the school teacher, tried next.
My story is Jack and the Beanstalk. There once was a poor lady who had an only son named, oh no.
Again, the lights went off and a strange sound was heard. When the lights went back on, Miss Marbles was in tears, screaming.
My story! Where did it go?
Also, you two!
Mayor Bigwig stopped the swap.
Stop! Stop! We can't ever do any more stories. It's the end of the storytelling tale time.
The people in the room started to nervously talk about it. Meanwhile, Peddler Polly heard something. She looked and saw a man with a top coat and top hat hurry away from the building. He carried a large wooden box covered with switches, knobs.
It's Dr. Spellbinder. I knew it. He's after no good. I'd better look into this.
Peddler Polly hastened from the hall. She followed Dr. Spellbinder from a distance as he left the town, made his way into the hills, and disappeared through the mouth of a cave. Peddler Polly approached to check.
Those machines. I wonder what is in that box.
3 more stories to put in my story box. Thanks to my brilliant invention, the story sucker. Soon I will steal all the stories in the world. And then everyone will need a story box for their set of a story box. Then I will be rich! Rich! Rich!
Not if I can help it.
Oh my God! Peddler Polly, what are you doing?
I'm here to put an end to your evil plans, Spellbinder.